Hello my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that by the end of it, you'll decide to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So I have an unboxing for you guys today. I got my Boxycharm Base Box, my paid box today, and I also got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I have tons of unboxings to do. Plus I got my Jeffree Star mystery box for Valentine's 2023. I'm so excited. All right. We're gonna get into Boxycharm. Ready? I think the days of us getting cards with prices and product descriptions might be over with. I don't know, guys. All right, so the theme is Treat Your Heart Out. And we have 5 items. If you don't know about Boxycharm, it is $27.99 a month. And then there's a handling fee, which is $1.99. Then you have your taxes. You get 5 full-size items. It usually ranges between the $125 and the $175 value. Sometimes you'll get a little bit more, sometimes you'll get a little bit less. So today we're gonna go through this and I've got some thoughts. All right, so I did, and I'm gonna go with this product first, I think, because I got the Rare Beauty foundation. Yes, I have it on, and it was light to medium coverage, but I do like this applicator for sure. I don't have a value, but I'll look up the value of this for you. The shade that I got was 230 Neutral, and it was pretty spot on. Super happy with that. I'm gonna have to use it a few times. I've been wearing it for a few hours now. So far, it's holding up pretty well. All right, moving on, we got I think it's Zoeva is this company. I'm not really sure. If you guys know how to pronounce this, put that down in the comments. I love it when y'all help me out. All right, look at this. This is definitely not a color I would wear at all. I'm gonna show you the wand. I don't really like this brand, this company. I've tried like their eyeshadows and stuff, and nothing really stands out as like awesome. And I've even had issues with their eyeshadows not performing well. So when I get something from this company, I'm kind of like, you know? All right, moving on. By Queen Studios. And the box just kind of fell apart for some reason. There's 2 lip liners in here. The shades are Spray Tan and SOS. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. That is Spray Tan. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, I like that. I don't know why I want to smell it. Eyeliners don't usually smell. I'm just into smelling everything lately. All right. SOS, I think this one is. Yeah. It might match that lippy. I don't know. Anyone want it? All right, so we've got 2 liners. Moving on. At first, I was like, really? Is no one buying the refreshments? Is that why we're getting this? I don't know. Was it a choice? I don't even know. I don't even remember. I think the choice was the foundation. I'm pretty sure that's what I picked. All right, so this is Pearly Body Wash in Citrus Spritz. It's 10 fluid ounces. Let's see. It smells really good. And the one good thing about me getting a box like this and getting something like this in here is I don't have to buy body wash like for a little bit, you know, while I'm using this up. So I do save money that way, so I can't be mad when I get certain things like that. All right. Then the last thing we have is an eyeshadow palette, and you guys saw this in my PR unboxing. It is Proof is in the Pudding by Beauty Bakery. Let me show you her. I did use her, the one that I have. I enjoy the fact that the pans are nice and big, and the colors are pretty decent. I mean, it's basic, so if you guys like color, you know, you might be like, but overall, this is something that pretty much anyone can use in almost any skin tone. So, yeah, that's everything. Want to recap? All right, let's do it. The Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette, the Zoeva lip color that I won't be using, the Pearly Body Wash, the Rare Beauty foundation and the 2 lip liners. Not a bad box. Like I said, this is my paid for box. Am I mad? No, I'm really excited I got a foundation. When I get a foundation or an eyeshadow palette, I'm like, yes. And then when I get 2 together, I'm like, that's a pretty good month. I'm really good with that. But I do want to know your thoughts. So would you comment down below and tell me what you think of my box? And then if you have any other information out there, see if anybody else got refreshments in their box, or if somebody got a different item than what I had, would you let me know? I'd love to hear all about it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you guys not have subscribed, please take a chance on this channel. If you like unboxings and all things beauty related, this might be the place for you. All right, guys, I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.